Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change audio on Instagram Reels after posting, right? So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here and let me just show you my reel here. So basically you just go to the reel section and here you will find a reel. So here if I just click on here and if I want to just change the background sound, so we have to click on the bottom right side corner where you can see the three dots, and here you can see there is a no edit option, right? So basically if you see in the post option, we can find a edit option. Let's just try. So we'll just click on the three dots which is on top right side corner, and after that we will just click on the edit option, and basically you'll not able to find anywhere where you can change this sound, right? So the feature is not available by the Instagram. So there is only one option where you can just change the audio of Instagram Reels. You have to save this audio and after that you have to re-upload this video, right? This is the only way where you can change the audio on Instagram Reels, and there is no other way to do it. So this is it guys. If you found this video really interesting and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.